Hook, have you ever wondered if paying for a high-end AI tool is really worth the investment? Today, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT and Gemini crypto. Should you shell out your hard-earned cash for these cutting-edge technologies? Let's find out. Context: the AI landscape is evolving rapidly, with new tools emerging every day. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has taken the world by storm with its impressive capabilities. Gemini crypto, on the other hand, is a relatively new player in the crypto market, promising to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. So, which one is the better choice? ChatGPT, a closer look. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model capable of generating human-quality text. It can write different kinds of creative content, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, answer your questions in an informative way, and write different kinds of creative content. Key features and benefits. Natural language processing. ChatGPT excels at understanding and responding to natural language prompts. Versatility. It can be used for a wide range of tasks, from writing essays to generating code. Continuous improvement. OpenAI is constantly updating ChatGPT to enhance its capabilities. Use cases. Content creation. Writers, marketers, and students can use ChatGPT to generate ideas, draft content, and proofread their work. Customer service. Businesses can deploy ChatGPT to provide automated customer support and answer frequently asked questions. Education. ChatGPT can be used as a learning tool, helping students understand complex topics and practice their writing skills. Pricing. ChatGPT offers a free tier with certain limitations. For unlimited access and advanced features, you'll need to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. Gemini crypto, a new frontier. What is Gemini crypto? Gemini crypto is a blockchain-based platform that aims to integrate AI into the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It offers a variety of services, including crypto trading, lending, and staking. Key features and benefits. AI-powered trading. Gemini's platform leverages AI algorithms to provide advanced trading tools and insights. Security. Gemini prioritizes security and has implemented robust measures to protect user funds. Community. The Gemini community is growing rapidly, fostering innovation and collaboration. Use cases. Crypto investment. Gemini provides a platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. Financial services. Gemini offers lending and staking services, allowing users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. AI development. Gemini is actively involved in AI research and development, aiming to advance the field. Pricing. Gemini charges fees for various services, including trading, withdrawals, and deposits. The exact fees may vary depending on the specific service and the cryptocurrency involved. Should you pay for ChatGPT or Gemini crypto? The decision of whether to pay for ChatGPT or Gemini crypto depends on your individual needs and preferences. Here are some factors to consider. Budget. If you're on a tight budget, the free tier of ChatGPT might be sufficient for your needs. However, if you require advanced features and unlimited access, you'll need to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. Gemini crypto also involves fees for various services, so consider your overall budget before investing. Use cases. If you primarily need a powerful language model for content creation, research, or education, ChatGPT is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you're interested in crypto investing, trading, or exploring AI-powered financial services, Gemini crypto might be more appealing. Risk tolerance. Gemini crypto involves investing in cryptocurrencies, which can be highly volatile. If you're not comfortable with the risks associated with crypto, ChatGPT might be a safer option. Conclusion. Both ChatGPT and Gemini crypto offer unique benefits and cater to different needs. The best choice for you will depend on your specific requirements and risk tolerance. If you're primarily interested in a powerful language model, ChatGPT is a solid option. However, if you're looking to explore the world of crypto and AI-powered financial services, Gemini Crypto might be worth considering. Ultimately, the decision is yours to make. Weigh the pros and cons carefully and choose the option that aligns best with your goals and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.